Today we're going to bring a wood repair kit, and this is pretty much what you get. You get the heating rod, the heating spoon, different color types of actual wax, cleaning material, and they actually give you a sanding tool too also, and a spatula to sand it out and clean it out at the end, and some tape if you need to isolate the hole or the scratch. This is perfect. They give you gloves, and they give you somewhere you can actually sit your rod, and if it's too hot, you sit it up in there. So we're gonna set it up today, and we're gonna test it out. All right, let me take a look at the actual heating rod, and then if you guys notice, there's actually different temperatures you need to set this up. This is actually 110 volts, 60 watts. So we're gonna turn it on and off. There's an on and off button here at the end, if you guys can see that. But we're gonna set it up at a certain temperatures. We can always raise it up so we can melt the actual wax. So as you can see, we did find the H matching one of these here, and we're gonna use it. Look how beautiful with the wax. They give you a little piece of wax here. But if it matches your wood, use it. This is what we're gonna use to actually set it up.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, we're gonna put the wax in there. So we got it ready to go, and we're gonna go and pour a little bit there. Every hole has to have some before it cools off. If you do excessive, just put it on the other ends.
Mira, seca rápido.
Yeah.
No, but that's because if I sand it.
Okay, now also you could use the wax without even heating it up too. So just to give you guys a heads up, and this is how you do it. This is our carpenter. He's actually doing this. He has done this without even heating it up. You could just complete it out. This is how you fix things without heating it up too also.
All right, we're good.
This is what we used to have before, and look at what we just did right now. We covered that one right there. We're still fixing that one. Look at these. All these from the original one like that. They look exactly like that. And look at this at the end. This is pretty much how it's going to turn on. And you could change the color. You could mix the colors. You could do variations of colors. So this is a perfect way to cover any kind of damage on any wood, hardwood floor, or any antiques. This is perfect for those kind of projects. So hope you guys enjoy the video.